Get into the 2023 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Infuse every drive with a fresh sense of fun in this spirited and tech-savvy Kona. You'll love its easy-to-use infotainment system, comfortable cabin, and versatile crossover capabilities, as well as the confidence that comes standard thanks to its suite of advanced safety features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, heated front seat, electronic stability control. Practical versatility meets breakout fun in this high-spirited Kona. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.